Workpro is a company I've reviewed a lot. Um, Kinda. I love their tools. I talked to them on Instagram recently because I feel personally, especially their hand tools, could definitely go into the maintenance market. I think they're that good. Um, and they appreciate the feedback. I wasn't trying to be too blunt with them. Um, but I'm a diehard fan of the Workpro tools. I am. Everything I have bought in hand tool wise has been great. And they explained to me that they are targeted towards the DIYer and homeowner. And their cordless lineup is definitely geared towards a homeowner. I think it's close to being acceptable for maintenance. I don't know. I'd like to see just a little bit more power out of them and a little more durability. But the tools are amazing. They really, really are. And I'm just a fan. This isn't like a sponsored thing. So I wanted to test out. Actually, I'll tell you where it all starts. So 2 years ago, I was looking for like a kit I could keep in my truck for my own properties to always have in there. And they sell, I think it's, I put in the comment section or description, but they do have a tool bag, and it has ratchet, wrenches. It has everything but a pipe wrench, and I don't think they make a pipe wrench. I'd love to see them make a pipe wrench. I'd love one of those homeowner kits to have a pipe wrench, but like it was the hammer in there was like a 16-ounce hammer. Like it's heavy duty. Everything in there was heavy duty, and I put it at one of my further away properties to have there because it has pretty much everything you need. It has a nice hacksaw. It has a nice tape measure. It has screwdrivers and so many things. It was an awesome set. It's probably the only expansive set that was decent to keep at a property or in your truck in a pinch, you know. So that's what made me a fan of Workpro, and that's why I've been buying them. I bought their long Allen keys, hex keys set. I have a lot of stuff from them, hand tool wise, electrical and stuff, and it's been great. So I'm just gonna get into it, and I bought these wrenches here, ratchets. Wait. Pliers. You know. So here's the box it comes in, Workpro. I actually figured out how to get my thing to do 4K. So like I said, they have a nice lineup of tools. And, you know, for a lot of hand tools, they're priced right and they're good. They are. The quality is good for the hand tools. So I bought these pliers, and they're like an adjustable job here. So there's the thickness, there's the footprint. Now I read some bad reviews about the this mechanism. This is the first time I ever held them. Grips are okay, you know, enough there to feel good. And the adjuster works. You know, theirs is like a tab. Flip it up, you go up, down, and I guess it goes automatically up. So it comes with this and a smaller one for under 20 bucks. Let's compare that to... So I have enjoyed these. They're a little bit thick. The footprint on the Workpro is a little smaller. Size is a little smaller on that. I have a Fat Max. Same thing, kind of like the Irwin. Thin. And that's pretty much the same. I will say the push button is nice on the Irwins and the Stanleys. So that's the only ones I compare it to. So it's thinner than the Irwins. It's a little thicker than the Stanleys. Might be, yeah, just a little bit. They open wider. You can tell. So I'm going to take these into work, use them for a bit, and give you another update. A real update on if they're good or not. So appreciate you guys all watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good night.